Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Leadership battle for 2023 election is Sangma versus Sangma. GSU accused the state government of neglecting education in South Garo Hills district. Victims speak out on their arrest at Rimpu Bagan on July 22nd. And heavy landslide occurred in Jowai Sunapur Highway. And now the news in detail. The All India Trinamool Congress AITC is aiming its guns at the MDA government led by the NPP from on top of the hills from the Garo Hills side. While in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, people hardly hear the noise of the AITC. The election battle cry for 2023 seems to concentrate in Garo Hills between NPP and AITC. The election results from Khasi Jaintia Hills will be trump cards for the leadership from Garo Hills to lead the new government in 2023.
Mekang cinigiman cancia genang kam kalcina, na simang sakan ciku nangamon meledunanya, ya somoyo, an cini delgapa, Dr. Mukul Sangma, na simang one rebai, meeting attend kai, na simang baksa, bumong na, songik na, muksongani dungat sa mandiba, session ng naskang, biya choljok tajok, aro tungko getjok, angko singa ongde rutrunga, mija rawonin, remrang paru bulbulani mandarang. Ya daw tarak yung ito din nampang, tarak yung ito din nampang nimna. Akan biungjo, nasimang ni levello nasimang meeting 같이 해보기 있었거든. zaman 잡을로 anga 조적 주고 anga meeting 같아야겠네.
Social activist and Garo Students Union GSU President of Bakmara, Shri Granit Sangma, expressed shock and surprise at failure of the MDA government to keep its promise. The student leader said that South Garo Hills is the most neglected and backward district in the state. The MDA government had promised earlier that its priority was to improve education in the entire state. But more than 4 years have passed, the conditions of the schools in the district is in a sorry state of affairs. The student leader listed down some schools that were in dilapidated condition that need immediate repairs, but the Department of Education paid little attention in spite of several requests and reminders. One of the most damaged school building in South Garo Hills is Balkam Asim Deficit Upper Primary School. The school building has been damaged by cyclone and hailstorm in March this year. The GSU and the school authority have submitted memorandum to the Minister of Education, but it fell in the deaf ears. There are other schools in the district that need urgent repairs and renovation like Dogre Government LP School, Banagre Government LP School, Mindigre Ad Hoc Secondary School, but the government failed to carry out its duty and left the children study in damaged school buildings. Shri Sangma further said students in many schools in this district attended schools where there are no teachers. He said that about 50 schools have no teachers. He also said in many schools, teachers in the district do not attend their duties. There's no inspection from officers of the education department in the district.
Surprise visit lang ko takatsim, paano ba school ka ama ka jama ko kuma kuniro ka ni ya inspector ni kamtsin. Hindi ba tao de complain ka ani jama numang ba ya officer ko school na ri patna ka nga. Ino tudi biswara ta ni role kun bijama. School inspector no thura maya kun bijama. Niki nga director na siya ta ha niki badia ba school ko beben teacher ang ni school ka ting mijani lang badungan na kapag magrang man kopya nga ya officer ni ko sa ko complain ko siya ta ni man yarang ko suspend ka rang de chung jani man permanently akba ni duty ni grek akba mandirang ko de permanently yang ko de permanent ka langan ko ba complain ba siya ta na simang letrang ko ni dinak nagdanggen ni man yasan ang yakan ni.
The Tura police had arrested 73 people at Bernard Marak's farmhouse, commonly known as Rimpu Bagan, on July 22, 2022. According to recent reports and statements from victims, out of 73, some were still in jail. The victims claimed they were in Rimpu Bagan with their boyfriends. "We came here just to kill time. We are not engaging in any dirty activities. We were just roaming, and during the police raid, we were returning from Rimpu Bagan," said one of the victims. The girls claimed that they were detained by the police and told to sign in the register. They further added that the police had taken their voter identification cards and recorded their phone numbers in the register as a formality, and they would be released once their ID cards were checked. One of the victims also said that they were forced by police to admit that they were sex workers, but they refused to do so.
rimbaw chungna chani rang ko bisung onja jamano sotna raka baita baji rangni jamano sa chanchi mamang kon chungna onja jamano sotna bisung aro angni jongga bade agana angni jongga pa angna chira atachimna chunga gmapna idora chika sna ko atachimna no sokangja jamano sa bisung bai mungna ona raka mai baji rang onok sai ko dang ba gwala baji pade
ina grade na ko lokap do na de 좀 알아 가리 동작
lokhapo dongbat tongode haras ade dongja andi ba chingni phone bag angni office ra rong pa carry bag yarang angni documents rang donga angni phone rang donga yarang ko bisung siska dawn non khujenga.
In the early hour of August 6th, the Jowai-Sonapur highway was again blocked by heavy landslide at Sonapurdi village, where the road passes through the underground tunnel. Due to prolonged bad heavy rainfall during the last few days, huge boulders and heavy amount of mud rolled sliding down and covered the entire highway. For more than 12 hours, heavy traffic jams occurred on both sides of the roads. Though Late and Slow District Administration and HHAI have tried to remove the debris from the road as fast as they could. Another possible danger is waiting for this particular junction of the road is the non-availability of any authorities to control stranded heavy laden vehicles from parking and lining up along the Lukha bridge. The pressure on the bridge may give way and snap any time from now. There is on police to control traffic on the bridge whenever landslide blocked this part of the road. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.